Vaishnavi. I am in class 4A. My topic is division. I will explain you divisions in two methods. First method, division is repeated in subtraction. 6 divided by 2 means subtract 2 from 6 repeatedly. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. How many steps we have? Subtract 1, 2, 3. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Second method, division means equal distribution. I will show you second method with an activity. I have an 12 pens. 12 pens. 1,